Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tips video on the Insert Component feature. This tool allows you to add existing designs to your current Vention assembly. Open the tool by navigating to the menu in the top navigation bar and selecting Insert Component. This will open the Insert Component window. Use the drop-down menu to select where you would like to search for your design. You can search through your designs, your team designs, your collaborations, and all public designs. Use the search field to search for a design by either the design's name or by the design number. You can use the filters on the right to refine your search if you're unsure of the exact name or design number. Select the design by either double-clicking it or clicking it and selecting Insert. The design will snap to your cursor and move with it in MachineBuilder. Left-click in the design space to place the assembly at the desired location.